Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change facial expression of your photo on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my TikTok application on my mobile phone and I'm going to upload my photo to the TikTok. So I'm just going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to upload my photo. Okay, I'm just going to go to photos option and I'm going to select this one. Then I'm gonna click on next. Okay, and if we want to change the expression, we have to go to the TikTok editing section. We can click on this icon to go to the editing on TikTok. All right, then we're going to go to the magic option. Okay, here you can go to the expression category. Okay, and then I'm going to select, for example, the sad expression. Okay, wait guys. All right, and as you can see that the sad expression has been applied to my photo. And let's try this dimple smile. I'm going to try it. Okay, and I'm going to try this smile expression as well. Oops, it doesn't change. Oh, just a little bit different. Okay, and once you're done selecting the expression, you just need to click on this check mark. And as you can see guys, that the expression has been applied to my photo. And I'm going to try another photo guys. I'm going to see the result if I use another photo. Okay, just go to the magic again and then go to the expression and I'm going to select the sad expression. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's really fun guys. You can just upload your photo to TikTok and then go to the magic effect and choose the effect that you like. Okay guys, then that's all the way to change facial expression of our photo using TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.